We're going to take this little flake of hornstone and we're going to make a projectile point out of it. Small arrowhead. We're going to use a copper flaker, just as they did where this stone is found, and we'll make a small point. We're going to use pressure flaking, which is pushing and pulling off small flakes. In just a few minutes here, we'll have a point. Take my leather pad and protect my hand, and I'll start pushing off flakes. This is untreated stone. This could be heat treated a little bit, which changes the structure of it, but this is just plain raw stone, so this is going to be a really strong point. The only problem is it's just a little harder to nap when it's not been treated. A little more oomph into the push. These flakes are also part of the thinning process when you're on something small like this. It's a little harder to thin it with a hammer stone. A few more flakes here and we about got it. There we go.